You Kristen long san de Tasol? Brata na Susa, mi like tok stret one time you pela. Planti bilong you mi save tok, mi Kristen. Tasol long Mande, igo inap long Friday, you mi stap olseman bilong dispela ground. Time Saturday o Sunday ikam, now you mi putim gut pela klos, kisim Bible na golotu. Nogat, emino Kristen laib! You no inap stap olseman bilong Satan long sikis dena behind Kamap man bilong God long one pela de Tasol. Stop long pretend! Sios emino ples Tasol bilong tanimbel. Sapos you et long Sunday bilong askim God long forgive him you, ating you no save wanem, meaning bilong behind him Christ. Bible itok, you yet you temple bilong God. Holy Spirit istap inside long you. Dispela minim Sios, inostap long house lotu Tasol. Sios istap inside long you. Osemna, wanem kain tok you mekim long Mande, God I harim. Wanem kain pasin you saw him long walk, long school, long market, God I lukim. Wanem you make him time, inogat man istap, God I save. You mas karim Christ long olgeta hap you go. No ken Kamap one pela, man long Sios na nara pela man outside long Sios. Kristen life, emino Sunday something, emi life bilong olgeta de. Sapos, Yisas emi bigpela bilong you. Orait larim emi bosim you long Mande, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tunde, Friday, sarere na Sunday tu. No ken Tasol go long Sios, Kamap Sios. No ken Tasol harim tok bilong God. Behind him talk bilong God. No ken Tasol kolim you yet Kristen, laip him Kristen, laip olgetade. Because God, ino like him hap Kristen, emi like him olgeta bel bilong you. Sapos, you stap one time God long Sunday Tasol, ating you no save true long God. Tasol sapos God istap inside long you, by all man I look him Christ long you olgetade bilong week. God I bless him you pela.